This is a Luke Bloom song called City Chicago, also covered by his brother Christy. And Nassau Sullivan, this one's for you. Say hello to the camels for me.
City of Chicago, as the evening shadows fall, there are people dreaming of the hills of Donegal. Was the year it all began. Deadly pains of hunger drove 1,000,000 from the land. They journeyed not for fortune, their mission wasn't greed. A voyage of survival across the stormy sea. To the city of Chicago, as the evening shadows fall, there are people dreaming of the hills of Donegal. Some of them knew fortune, some of them knew fame, more of them knew hardship, died upon the plain. They travelled across the country, rode the railroad cars, wrote their